Hi friends, there are various ways in which you can prepare cabbage dry. One such recipe is where you prepare the cabbage dry using the red chilies, coconut and other spices. Today I am going to show you the recipe for red masala added cabbage dry. This is a great combination with rice or chapati. Before checking the recipe, if you are new to the channel, do click on the subscribe button below and subscribe to the new home kitchen. Let's check the recipe now. First let's slice and cut the cabbage into small pieces. Now for the masala, I am using 15 red chilies roasted with a drop of oil, 1 tablespoon dry roasted coriander seeds, quarter tablespoon of dry roasted cumin seeds, 1 onion cut into pieces, 5-6 garlic cloves, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Grind this into fine paste by adding little water. To this paste, mix 1.5 cup of grated coconut and masala is ready. Now heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil and quarter tablespoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seed starts sputtering, I am adding 1 onion that is cut into pieces and 10 curry leaves. Once the onion is fried, I am adding the cut cabbage by washing it once in water. To this, add salt as much as needed. I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt here. I am using half glass of water to rinse the mixie and adding that to the pan. Now cover and let this cook. Once the cabbage is cooked, that is it turns transparent, add the masala and mix well. Cook this for another 5 to 10 minutes so that the masala is cooked. The masala is cooked now. Red masala added cabbage dry is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to the new home kitchen. Bye.